All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday prepositions. So hereby, therefore something. Therefore something. So hereby the rules will change. I am in charge now. Hereby you should listen to me. Yes. I went there. Hereby I'll go there soon again. I was in Scotland. Hereby every road was an adventure. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. He hereby changed the rules. Yeah. So when they came to power, they hereby changed some laws. How cool is that? Yeah. We are hereby in command now. Yes. Hereby they changed the law. Since they came into power. Soon he will decide hereby my rule to be in charge here. Okay. So hereby, okay, with these new changes, they hereby changed how they operated. So something happened, hereby something else. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, hereby. Now, can you use hereby in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.